Green with envy? These birds will make you wish you had feathers. First up, the resplendent quetzal. With its shimmering green feathers and long tail, it's like a flying emerald. Next, we have the adorable green jay. It's a flashy mix of green and blue, like it couldn't make up its mind. Third on the list is the eclectus parrot. The males sport a vibrant green coat, while the females go for a bold red. Talk about a fashion statement. Now, let's not forget the Indian ringneck parakeet. This little guy is popular in pet stores and loves to chat. And finally, the green honey creeper, a small bird with a big personality and a beak made for nectar sipping. Each of these birds brings the green game strong, making our world a bit more colourful. Which one's your favourite? Comment below and let's chirp about it.